Hey guys, it's me Cheryl. Today I want to show you my recent favorite hairstyle, which is so simple yet really elevated your supermodel off-duty look. Before we move on, if you could like and subscribe, it would really help me out and let me know what you think in the comments. First, I'm just gonna brush my hair using the GHD paddle brush. I really love this brush because it can easily untangle all my hairs, especially when I have so much hairs. Then I'm gonna grab two front pieces to frame my face. You can choose either side part or middle part, totally up to your preference. So let's begin by loosely gathering all of the hair above your ears. I put aside the lower part of my hairs on the side so that it won't tangle with the upper part of my hairs. Brush the side of my hairs to ensure all hairs are picked up into the upper ponytail and secure it at the back of your head. If you want to give it a little bit more volume to your ponytail, just pinch and pull small pieces of hair around your crown. Also, to separate the upper ponytail, I'm grabbing one hand on the upper ponytail and another with the rest of the hair and secure them into another ponytail. Okay, take your top ponytail and let's knock it. So hold on to the base of your ponytail with one hand, and then with your other one, you want to bring your hair up the left side and over the top of your ponytail. You can see the bun shape that this created. Stick your fingers through the center of your bun out the right side, and you just want to grab onto your hair, hold it firmly, and then pull it tightly through that hole. Make sure to keep holding the knock and your ends to make it as tight as possible. Draw your remaining ends into the lower ponytail and then create another knock by repeating the same steps as before. Bring your hair up the left side and over the top of your ponytail and stick your fingers through the center of your bun out the right side. Hold it firmly and then pull it tightly through the hole. Again, make sure to pull your knock nice and tight. So next, take your ends, wrap them clockwise underneath your bun, and you can just place bobby pins to secure them into place. Using my favorite wave spray from Way to fix everything and especially on the side to make sure it's slick and clean. And also adding just a tiny bit of hair stick as well. One last final touch of our today's model off-duty hairstyle. I am using this hair perfume from Aqua di Parma. It smells freaking amazing. And there you have it. I think this hairstyle is so simple yet so elevating for a supermodel off-duty look. I hope you all enjoyed this video and let me know in the comment section below if it was helpful to you. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button and click the bell notifications for more videos like this in the future. If you're looking for more hair tutorials, I have a playlist at the top right corner. I hope you'll keep on watching and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!